Good afternoon, and welcome to Losers Become Winners for January 3rd, 2020. USO surprised the heck out of me. It jumped to 35%. Whoa, let's go look at that chart. All right, here we are. And USO, look at that gap. Wow, that was something. So, what's our rules? Come on, guys. You guys been with me now 4 months. You should know the rules. 35% plus is what? Last bar low. So let's do it. Okay, on my side screen, I'm receiving a answer of 1290. So we're going to come here. We're going to move. First, we're going to move our marker so that we don't forget what we're doing. And we're going to move the time out a little bit more. So that way it keeps moving into the future. And the exit is no longer a PZ black line value line exit. Now it's LBL. Okay, there it is, 1290. We'll come up here to our journal, slap 13 there, and LBL, which is last bar low, and the low is for the exit 1290. It's color green because it's in profit. No, that's text day in blue. Sorry, did that mistake. All right, and now we'll come over. Oh, what we've got to do is highlight and capture this text. Come here, and change out this order to 12.90. And I'll send it a confirm. Boom. Done. Now, what's really cool here is this is $315 and we're $344. So we're about $130 short. We're running on 10 contracts. So we have a strong possibility. Again, I will not call this a bases loaded. As why? Look at this drop. This represents 315. This down here might come out to 250. And besides that, the 315 is not greater than the 444. When it's greater than 444 and there's a high probability of getting out with the profit way above the 444, then we can call it bases loaded. Not happening. But look at something else. Look who's missing. Coca-Cola. We took a hit on Coca-Cola today. It happens. So we got in at Coca-Cola at 1.524. And we got stopped out at 1.14 for a 40 cents loss. Let's go over to the Coca-Cola chart because it is an exit and we have to discuss why exits. All right, we were running here off a dipper low, and the dipper low did not and then we had a black line value low, which was lower than the 5450, and we're taken out at 5450 right here. But actually, here's what happened. Because this was a gap down, we actually were taken out here on the open. Yep, we were out on the open, and that's why we have such a dip. So we lost 40 cents on this exit, and 40 cents times 4 contracts, which is 400 shares. We lost $160. We now add that to the ode of the 453, and now also too we have to add in remember 613. I forgot to do this. 1.35 times 4. Yeah, there's our commission. So this comes out to, now the Tigers are owed $618 by Coke. All right. What's the chance? Look, big down, MACD settles down, turns around. Look, we have a nice thing here. So when we get back up in this zone here, we'll be looking at getting back into the trade, providing that something else doesn't get our attention. That's it for the Tigers. Well done, Tigers. Taking the lead over from Alpha. Alpha was really taking on you, but let's go over to the Alphas. Oh, look at this. We had a 50% drop on XLY. Hey. But remember, we stick to the rules. Our target, first of all, of course, is get the 65 loss leaders down, get back our 316 from AMC, and we are in profit zone rules. So we didn't hit our last bar low. Had we had a last bar low, we would have been taken out. We would have been taken out here. Some people have, well, why didn't get? No, this is the opening of the candle. Green candles open at the bottom and close at the top. Red candles open at the top, close at the bottom. The wick is the entire distance that it traveled. This is the body. This is the wicks. All right, so what do we got? We got a value of, where's my, okay, upper, okay, 124.65. 124.65. Look at that. No move. We stay where we're at. And again, I don't declare this, even though now this would be bases loaded because we're at 237 over 316 owed. But why is it not? I don't call it a bases loaded because it's not a last bar low. I want last bar low first before I'll declare a bases loaded. Now, will I declare a bases loaded if it was really high up there? Yeah. I mean, if this was like somewhere around $800, $900, it would be like, the only way that would lose all that money and take me back down to 316 and break even would be a very big drop, which happens, but it didn't. The bottom line is we are here. Let's move on to Carport. And here we are, Carport. And text is taking a little time to show up. Interesting, we have a dragonfly. Now, what's the significance of the dragonfly? Dragonfly is that there's a lot of buyers down here pushing the price up, and there's very little sellers on the top to push the price down. That's the dragonfly. And you can see we have one here also. Now, you also notice too that I am using a 3:1 ratio. I'm checking it out. 3:1 ratio, real quick, is a target trading system. And what that means is you're risking this much, which is about $5, pretty wide. $5 is considered wide. $3 is considered the normal. And we're looking for a 3:1 ratio. In other words, our entry is here, 1 win, 2 wins, 3 wins. That is 3 wins to the potential loss of the setup. So, all right, let's go on. It's in profit zone. So we are in profit zone. We get to move our stop up close and oh, you know what? I'm zoomed out too far. I apologize. Let me get a little closer there, guys. Yeah, sorry about that. Sometimes I forget I got an audience watching over my shoulder. Traders are like that, They'll get carried away and realize, oops, the room is full. There are people listening to me. Yeah, that's what we're showing up to your seminars and webinars and to learn more and apply. All right, so our closest exit is our black value line here. And it's reporting in at 89.40. So what's going to happen is we're going to take this guy down here. Oop, that's the ratio. Where is, I don't have a price line. Okay, I don't have a price line. So, just thought of something. That's not a good idea. All right, price line. Grab the price line. Sometimes the drawing tools do not capture. I don't know what's going on. I can't get the thing that I can get. There we go. All right. So just draw a line arbitrarily. It doesn't matter. You come over, grab the panner. We're going to be putting in the price at 89.40. So the other thing with trade stations, like trades, Thinkorswim, you got to watch out. Thinking is quirky. So now we're going to zoom back in again. Oh, sorry for guys wasting your time here. Let's get this thing done. There we go. All right. 89.40. We are in a PZ, which means we're in profit zone. Profit zone rules. Profit zone exit rules are now engaged. Remember, and we changed this to green because we are in profit. Right there, small profit, but still profit. Just remind us. And there we are. We got to come over here now and change our text. 1.3. It's the black. It's my black exit. And that's 89.40. Stays blue for this text. Oh, I forgot to do the capture. Capture the last line, copy, send, come here and go to replace order, come here. And now you're going to do a conditional order. Remember, this is an else order rules under conditions. And the reason I'm showing is because even seasoned traders, you saw me, I made a couple of mistakes along the way. And she's executed. She's gone. There we go. And then you can always come here and hover over the sale bubble and then see if the order went through, which it should have. Oh, look at this. CBX is also in a little bit of profit. Wow. A little busy day today. I wasn't anticipating this. I got things to do, places to go. All right. Here you go. CBX 707, 140, a little bit pullback. Yeah, you can see it right there. And our exit is no change. This is what's good about marking up your charts, because you can quickly come and look and say, okay, I got this, I got that. But if the markers haven't moved, there is no movement. So we are here. And that's all that she wrote. So Alpha's done, Tigers are done, Arena is pulling my leg. What can you say? All right, guys. Well, that's it for today for the winners become losers. And I thank you very much for stopping by, checking it out, and happy trading. Bye.